What's up guys, it's LeetCoder. This is LeetCode 242 valid anagram. This is a pretty simple one. So we have two inputs, S and T. We want to see if all the letters in S are exactly all the letters in T. Order doesn't matter. All we need to do is make sure that the counts of each character in both strings are the same. I'm going to use two hashes for this. So we'll say h1 equals this, h2 equals empty. And now for character in S, we set hash1 at character equal to hash1 character if it's defined, or 0 if not. And then we do the same exact thing for T. We change all the 1s to 2 there. And then we just return h1 equal to h2. And the tricky thing about this question is a lot of people would just compare the set of S to the set of T, but that doesn't count for the case where there could be the same character more than once in one of the strings and not in the other string. So doing it this way accounts for that case. So let's submit. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please give a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you next time.